Doc,
Idol,
ilang minutes yan, Doc?
kung beginners, that will be 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the body will, becomes acclimated with the water.
Okay.
And then, mga
Pero-
15 minutes yun,
10
maximum.
minutes maximum.
Pero kung beginners ka, okay na king.
Nakita ko lang to, Doc, sa ano lang eh, sa YouTube lang eh. Yung mga foreigner gumagawa.
UCI.
Oo. Pero grabe, Doc. First time ko nakita ng ganito, Doc.
This was introduced to me by Gab. Pero I know na, the Ice King of Iceland. This one.
Ibig sabihin, Doc, ito yung parang sikreto ni Gab.
Hindi man ito sekreto, they already know about it, man.
Ah, talaga. Okay.
You need to numb the muscles to remove muscle fatigue. That's what I do, kay marami mga kong tumba doon.
Pero parang hindi ko kaya to, Doc eh. Kahit 5
First, hindi
minutes.
mo kaya, but you will get used to it.
Guys, si Doc
It's a
please,
matter of,
guys.
it's a matter of deep breathing to the diaphragm pa. And then it will vibrate, it will produce more heat to the body. Idikit mo lang yung siko mo sa tiyan, tapos yung dalawang kamay, ipitin mo sa dalawang tubod.
Ah, ganun. Para may ano ka.
May heat.
May hit ka, no? Grabe.
Kagabi, na ganito man ako kasi natumba man ako the other day. Kagabi, tapos ngayon.
Yung ice niya, guys, ito yun. Ayan, sako-sako. Grabe yung ayan, no? Sako-sako yung ice. Siko. Grabe. Kaya natin to sa mga beginners. Yeah.
Initial 5 minutes, okay na yun.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc.